A. Lewis here, and today I'm going to talk about YouTube and being a creator on YouTube. Want to do some real talk with you. So if you're thinking about starting a channel, I just want to share what I've learned so far being on YouTube. About 3 years really diligently working. Yeah, 3 years. And I've been on since 2016, I think, or 2015, because I took social media marketing in my degree program, but really diligently building my channel and choosing my niche or however you want to say it. That was something that I had to learn, and I learned a lot. So I hope that you like this content of this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your comments below. I'm going to ask a few questions throughout the video, and I want to communicate to you the things that I've learned. And if you need anything to know to start your YouTube channel, then just ask away. I'm also going to see if there's anyone interested in a live where you can communicate back and forth. So some of this is things that you can read about and learn about. I have made myself just a couple notes. I'm really going to be talking from my heart and just seeing if I can input into your successful YouTube business. So anyway, thanks so much. If you enjoy this and my channel, I'd invite you to subscribe and hit that bell, because next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So where I am is in my craft room, and that is what I mainly do on my channel. I do hauls like Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, bargains that you might be looking for, say Target or something like that. Used to go to Tuesday morning quite frequently, but I haven't seen a lot of crafty items there lately that I'm interested in. But if I find something, be sure I'm gonna give you a little update on that. Also, I love to do DIYs, especially ones that can be done kind of quickly, and ones that you know, I can teach you the steps to get there and make it simple for you to where everyone can do a craft. If I can use anything that's maybe junk or would go into the trash, I like to reuse that and upcycle it. I love to do paper crafts, and junk journals are one of my favorite things because I love nostalgia and vintage. And then I love doing any kind of card making, particularly love doing DIYs with, say, Dollar Tree items. I love to do those as well. So there's a wide variety on my channel, and you'll see that. And if that's something that you like, I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. But there's a couple of things that I'd like to share with you if you want to start a YouTube channel. One thing is it does take work, and I have to work at it. I have a job. I work a full-time job. We also are part of a church. My husband's pastor. I help him with everything. So I'm really pretty busy, but YouTube is my getaway. It's my fun place. It's my happy place. I have a shirt that says that. Our crafting is my happy place. Let me rephrase. And then also I wanted to do something that could make a difference. I watched a lot of channels just to see what they do, and I thought, well, I can do that. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. It's just making your mind up that you can do it and then going for it. One thing that I learned in my social media marketing class was, you know, get you a plan, but start. Don't just keep planning. Get started, do something, and let the steps unfold for you. So I do want to answer your questions, and you're more than welcome to put them in the chat, you know, below in the comments. But I'd also like to know if you would like a live of this type of thing where I can share my experience with you, answer your questions, and then if you know, we can respond in the same video rather than just waiting for a reply. So if you'd like a live version, please just let me know. You can give it a thumbs up, but I'd rather know in the comments so that I know for sure. We can always do part 2 just like this. All right. One thing that most YouTube creators want to do is build their YouTube channel. And it's really important to building your channel in order to go to the next level. So if you want to go to the next level, you can look on the YouTube website, and it will give you all kinds of instruction, videos. There's tons of tutorials out there, if I could say the word. And but one thing that is really, really important is your content. So you do have, it kind of all circles around each other. If you don't have content, then no one's going to watch your channel, right? And then if you don't have people watching your channel and get views, then your channel won't grow. So intermingling your different platforms from social media helps to direct people to your YouTube channel. And on YouTube, you can earn money. And that's one of the things that people want to see. How can I earn money on YouTube? And that's one place that you can on social media. So getting subscribers is really, really important, but you're not going to get subscribers till you have content. So you're going to have content to get subscribers and grow your channel. So the first thing in order to have content is to decide, what is my channel about? Is it about life experience? Is it about makeup and how to wear it? Is it about your hair? Is it crafts like mine? Is it paper crafting? Is it junk journals? Is it I don't know, music or playing video games? Some people like that. Is it giving your opinions on maybe movies, or, you know, critiquing those? There's all kinds of things that people are interested in sharing, and somebody's interested in watching that. So it's about presentation also. So you, I have, this video could go much longer, but I just want you to know there are all kinds of apps out there to help you if you just have an iPhone. You don't have to have big fancy equipment. Even your iPhone, 6, 7, 8, even to 12 or 13, you can do some amazing video quality just with your iPhone. You can use a tablet and you can use a camera. So however you want to do that, that's fine. I will tell you, for me, I use my iPhone. I have a 12. I didn't always have a 12. I've only had it about a year and a half or so. But I can get some amazing quality, and I can edit right on my phone, and I can upload right on my phone. So you don't have to have this fancy equipment, software that's hundreds of dollars or anything to build, to make your videos. So that's a really important thing. So once you decide what your content you want to share is, then you start creating it, and you determine what your topics are going to be and how long you want your video to be. And it does take work. It is work. So planning is very important, determining how often you want to upload to your channel, and then, letting the viewers know that you are uploading something. Also, everyone wants to make money on YouTube. So the first level to do that is you need to get to 1,000 subscribers, which seems like a big jump, right? Once you hit 1,000, it starts kind of growing a little faster. But you do need to get to that level, and you have to have so many views. And YouTube will tell you that exactly. And so once you reach those levels, then you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. And that's where you can start to earn money. But it's really small. And just to know why YouTubers are always saying, or the creators when they show their videos, like my video, comment below, share my video, all of those things help to put the video into the feed of others that might not have seen your channel yet. and your content. And it's really important to get those views, and that helps you to grow. And of course, everyone's doing this to grow. I mean, you enjoy it. There's a lot of things. Somebody asked me one time, well, why do you do your YouTube channel? So I do my YouTube channel because I enjoy it, for number one. I do it because I get to meet amazing people, and I have met some incredible friends on YouTube that I would have never ever had an opportunity to meet across the world, not just in Oklahoma where I'm at, but across the world. So it's such a blessing to me, and I love that. It's a bonus to make a little bit of money. And now I don't make a lot. And I will one day, I believe, get more views so I can make more money. But it's not really about the money for me right now. It's about getting to know you. It's about my subscribers, my family, my YouTube family. And it's about sharing things that I hope that you enjoy hearing about and learning. I really want to inspire people to be able to craft and get that crafty side out of them and create. And everyone has that ability to create. So anyway, the YouTube partner program, that's where you start making money. So you do have to get to that 1,000 subscribers, and you do have to get your views up. You might want to wait until you're a little further along before you add in some of these other things that I'm going to mention, but I want to mention them to you. One thing that you can do to make some money also would be merchandise. So like designing a t-shirt, you can do that on several different sites, like Teespring is what I use, or spring.com. And I can design a shirt, and I can share that, and they handle everything. I just put it out there to sell it. And so that's one thing. You can also be an affiliate or an influencer on Amazon and then share the links like that. You'll get contacts from others. I haven't done too many of that because I just don't know what's, real, if that makes sense, because sometimes, you just don't know if they are just trying to get information from you, or if they really do want to partner with you. But I get a lot of emails about sharing content or commercials type of thing, or trying out products for free and that kind of thing. But you can do that. The supers are super fun. The supers, once you get to a certain level, you can activate super chat and super comments in your live videos, which are another type of content. Or you can eventually get to a point where you can do super thanks, and that's where anyone can monetarily support your channel, and that's a really cool thing. And if you can get to that level, folks can come on and they can just say, I really appreciate you, and here's, it's sort of like a tip or something, thanks for your content, and they can monetarily support you. There's another thing that you can do on YouTube to make some money, and some memberships. And memberships are whenever you offer something to your members that not everyone gets publicly, or they don't get it at the same time. Maybe you have an upload a video you give a preview of to your members, and then later on it would be available publicly. There's also other apps that you can do that with too, like Patreon and different ones. So you've got that. And then, so just briefly, I'm just touching on briefly, for instance, when you're uploading your content, you need a catchy title that says what your video's about, and then you also need thumbnails. And thumbnails are really important because that's what people see when they're going through their feed, or if they're checking out your channel, and that should have your title on it. And there's a ton of apps out there that can help you with your thumbnails, and that is just that picture that fits that 16:9 size on your video. It's like the title. And so you want to do those kinds of things. You also, you can benefit from intro and outros, which are like a little, hello that plays as your video's opening, or a little thank you at the end, and reminding everyone to subscribe, or you know, comment, that kind of thing. So those are nice, and there's apps for those too, right on your phone. So it's easy to do. And then also, you just want to make sure that you're on top of your game. If someone's commenting, they want to hear from you. So go ahead and comment back. You know, respond to that. I know that sometimes I get really, really busy and I don't always get the comments right away, but I do try to comment back. I also try to communicate and learn about my friends that are on YouTube. I also do giveaways. I do giveaways every Friday night, and then sometimes I do other giveaways, and then I host a live every Monday night called Crafts and Games, where we do a craft or something, and then I do a little game towards the end and give away some prizes. So I enjoy doing that. At first, you may not be able to do that. So just think about something that you can do consistently that would, you know, bring your viewers back. Also, there are other things like shorts. Shorts are really, you know, a minute video that can pull people to watch your other videos if you want to do that. I guess it's similar sort of to TikTok, where they're just really short videos, and not exactly, but you know, something like that. And then your ads, you want to learn about your ads. So you can see there's a ton of things to talk about. But one thing I do want to bring up, and I just want you to know this, there are people that will be negative on your channel, and there are trolls that will, you know, post maybe links or something. So you may want to prevent that, not allow links in your comments. On live, you'll want to get rid of those trolls when they're posting on your channel, and don't tolerate anything negative. I rarely do, just because I just want positivity. And I talked to one of my friends on YouTube. She has a great channel, and I asked her, I said, you know, I had a really negative comment, and I looked up this person, and they are new to YouTube. They have no subscribers or anything, and I don't know why they would pick my channel out and say some negative things. And you know, she just said, you just don't tolerate it. 2022, year of positivity. You know, we don't have to. And so I just want you to know that. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it personally. There are people out there that can just be mean and want to hurt your feelings or whatever, or maybe even drive you away. But just know that, you know, your viewers are going to enjoy your content. So make sure that you put that out there. And remember to smile. Smile a lot. Be happy. Promote what you're doing in a positive way, and things will grow. So that's what I wanted to share today. Go ahead, if you would, comment below if you'd like some more, learn some more. I can do tutorials or whatever, but I want you, if you want to be a creator on YouTube, to have a really positive experience. Do I know it all? No, and I don't claim to, but I enjoy it. I've made wonderful, wonderful friends, and that I feel like if I went to their house in, you know, Washington or wherever, that it would be just like old friends, you know, and it would be so fun. So, thank you so much for watching all the way through to the end. And I hope that I've inspired you in some way to be a creator on YouTube, or to at least get you started thinking about it. And again, let me know if you'd like to learn more. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great, great evening, and I'll talk to you again soon.